fun today. We're for the live stream. We're landing at one of these airports that are local to me. This is the Eagle's Nest Airport in New London, and it's one of my local airports. So yeah, it's fun to land here today. We have lots of downwinds and upwinds. Like lots and lots of them. So yeah, but we'll try to work everything out. I'm doing it. Yeah, it's working out. Pretty good actually. Yeah, there's a lot of upwinds here in my area in the afternoon. And yeah, it's looking nice to land here. I hope everybody's week is doing good. Mine is, definitely. And yeah, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this, because we're gonna check out a lot of stuff. Okay, so we're pretty nice. All I need to do is focus. Since like there's a lot of crosswind, even though the wind isn't that bad. Okay, we're kind of exiting the crosswind over here. I'm gonna lower the plane down. This airport is pretty close to me, like 13 kilometers away from me, something. Okay, let's put this plane down. Oh wow, pretty smooth, especially in the wind. I don't know how I got it this smooth. Wow, really nice. Guys, this landing was awesome. This landing was awesome. Wow. Really great job. It was just very windy. Like 4+ FPM. Amazing. Way to go. Okay guys, we're gonna exit on the side over here. Okay, and we're gonna stop right over here. Yeah, so this airport is pretty close to me. And yeah, I really like it. It's a cool airport. I went to check it out one time. Whew, it's cool, believe me. Okay, let's put the flaps up. Shift C. Yeah, for some reason there's a lot of crosswind in my area in the afternoon, though we absolutely buttered that landing. Okay. This runway isn't like fully like down, see? That's why we made that smooth landing. So yeah, it was nice. Wow, really nice. Okay, let's come over here. Check this thingy out. Okay, nice. It might have also been like -20. Yeah. That's what it would probably feel like. Yeah. Okay, now we did it all. Let's make our usual picture. Okay, nice. Let's take the photo. Quick shot. Okay, nice. Let's toggle back this thing. And let's go back in. Okay, guys, so I think we can check one more thing out. Just give me a second, okay? Okay, guys, so we're checking out the 787 and how it's working. Right now, it's working pretty good. I can't lie. Since it wasn't working for some time. So yeah, it's nice. Okay, and we're gonna try landing it. This is what we're doing. We're trying to land the 787-10, the one that I have. Then we're gonna pull up while landing. And yeah. Okay. Gonna put the camera down a little bit. Okay. We're gonna come down. Our airspeed, we need to keep it about 145 knots on this plane. Okay, increasing to 145. Okay, we get some altitude down. It's pretty nice to land this plane. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna come down a little bit. Okay, let's increase the throttle more. Perfect. Okay, and come down even more. Okay, even more coming down. Okay, yeah, 500 GPS W callouts are working, so it's good. 500. Okay. $20. Okay, not that bad. As for one of our first landings, again in this plane, I mean it's okay, but it's still got some issues. Like with the yoke, it's trimming way too much. And yeah. Yeah, the yoke is trimming way too much. But yeah, it was nice. Okay, now let's go to the marketplace. Okay guys, so here we are in the marketplace and we got some cool new stuff. Like the A340 airliner by Any Builds. And it's so cool because, like, yeah, and let's see which version is it. Is it the 300 or? Yeah, but it's cool. A lot of people rated 5 stars. It's $60, $59.99. So yeah. And let's look at this random airport that showed up. Okay, pretty cool. Michigan, US. Okay. Let's check out this. Oh, pretty nice. Yeah, pretty nice. Let's go back. Now let's look for more airports. And yeah, the 787 still needs stuff to fix because like there was way too much trim. So we of course have this airport, KMHT. What is this? Twitchell's Airport. Okay. Wow, is this a hangar that you can just park inside? This is cool. Okay, and then we have KB Bar Harbor Airport. Okay, let's look if we have anything on the west coast, maybe cool. Of course we have Boeing Field, Renton Airport, and yeah. This is Boeing Field, KBFI. And now let's go down to see if this is San Francisco. Palmer Airport, okay, cool. And yeah. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's go back. Do we have any more stuff here that we might see? So yeah, we seen this last week, so yeah. And guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our usual landing in the Cessna 152 and then checking out if how the 787 is doing. Is it fixed or not? And yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.